Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down network and phone basics. Switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or a 5G hotspot because bandwidth and latency are critical. Once done, close all background apps and enable your phone's performance or game mode to prioritize CPU and GPU. Make sure your phone is charging so thermals stay stable, and turn off battery saver and adaptive brightness to prevent throttling. These immediate steps reduce packet loss and processing delays, setting up a clean foundation for smoother cloud play. Now you tune streaming and network priorities. In the Xbox Cloud app, pick balanced or high quality depending on your measured bandwidth, and lower resolution to 720p if jitter appears. This reduces bitrate spikes. Once done, prefer 60 FPS for action titles, but drop to 30 if stability matters more. You should also enable Co-S on your router or connect the host console via Ethernet to avoid upstream congestion. Together, these adjustments manage bitrate and latency, preventing stalls and frame drops during gameplay. You wrap up by fixing input and handling problems. Pair a low-latency Bluetooth controller or use a wired connection to cut input lag and update controller firmware. If you still see jitter, restart your router and phone, then run a speed test and note the ping and packet loss. Should problems persist, change your Wi-Fi channel to avoid interference, try a different network, or manually lower the stream bitrate in the app. These final steps, and that one troubleshooting tip, get you back to smooth cloud gaming fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.